Here at the JMC Packaging stand, I'm joined by Chris and a very impressive end-to-end sort of mini production line here. Chris, what are we looking at?
Yeah, so we're looking at a Q-Pack denester. The Q-Pack denester will run around about 100 packs per minute. Followed through into what we call our GT1S Pro Seal machine. Now the GT1S Pro machine will run anywhere in the region of up to 80 to 100 packs per minute, depending on gas flushing. Now what you'll see here, we've got a fairly small setup here, really just to show the customer a wee bit of automation, the line from denesting. A big part of what we see nowadays is the cost of obviously labour and getting labour is leading into small applications such as a denester to come through the line. We've tried to incorporate and integrate some TTO printer onto the line. So the TTO printer, it's the ice printer, will print and apply use-by dates, allergens, ingredients. Again, just another application that takes away from an operator on the end of the line doing it. Now, Seamus, have you been running there? So what you'll see here now is the Pro Seal GT1S here is a 4-impression standard D13 tray. What we have is the top and bottom tool with 2 transfer arms taken in. This is currently running about 60 packs per minute, and what you'll see here now at the end, we've added in a labeler into the end of the line. It's a Premier labeler. Again, that will run around 80 to 100 packs per minute, but it's a top and bottom. So what we have here is another printer on, so this will print and apply, not just applying the labeler, but we're also printing and applying the barcode label underneath. What we're doing now is from that, you'll see at the very end of the line, we have a vision system. And the vision system's job is to make sure that the barcode and the top label match. So a customer that is doing a printed film, for instance, and has their base label had to have a barcode and had to have the allergens, it's making sure that's correct. We're starting to see a big movement on, especially in Tesco's and Marks and Spencer's. There's a lot of product going out that has to get recalled because of end-of-line solutions. When you get customers there packing and they've printed the wrong use-by date, or they've put the wrong label on, or the wrong sleeve, this takes all that out of the equation. So this is a small setup. What we are starting to see is from an inline point of view, JMC Packaging, more customers are coming to us because it's a full line solution. You're not just buying a labeler, you're not just buying a camera system, you're not just buying a Pro Seal, you're buying a full solution. And what it's based around is service. It's the service and the after support that requires for this to happen. Our machine, I'm not going to say our machine's better than anyone else's, however, it's coming down to aftercare, if I'm honest with you. And it's a service support that GMC's built over the years that is added to what we have here now.
That's great. That's a really impressive demo, Chris. Thank you for chatting us through that. And it really is sort of end to end there, and you've articulated exactly what each stage does. And I guess this would be the platform that would help you to scale to whatever size of operation you hopefully scale to as a business.
Yeah, so absolutely. So we're based in Ireland. And in Ireland, there's no manufacturers. So there's companies such as Pro Seal and Premier labelers rely on us to supply their machines. So what we've now is scaled it out is into the UK. Yeah. We've acquired a company called GSH Group and another company called Gainsborough. What that's allowed us to do is grow not just the Irish market, but the UK market as well, and bring it all together as one group. So that GSH and Gainsborough and also JMC, we can sell a full line solution, same machines, same parts, same engineers, but as one group.
And Gainsborough, that's a new acquisition in terms of new news here at PPMA Total 2025. It's that Gainsborough acquisition about 5 or so months ago, one of your colleagues was saying.
Yeah, 5-6 months ago. It was a huge asset to the company to bring Gainsborough in. I think it just finishes off, again, a full turnkey solution. From vertical form fill seal machines. We can now supply multi-head weighers with the baggers. We can supply labelers onto the packs. It's a full solution the customer wants. We supplied Gainsborough baggers in Ireland for several years, and obviously the opportunity arose and we've acquired them now the last 5 or 6 months.
Chris, that was a great demo. Really good stuff. Thank you for talking us through that here. And if you want to come and find out more about what these guys are doing, then head on over to their stand. But for now, Chris, thank you very much indeed. Have a very successful rest of week.
Appreciate it. Thank you.